post save product, and we're going to use the pages controller. Yes, and here we're going to create a function, and we're going to call this function save products like this. And I'm going to take the save product function. I'm going to come to the pages controller here. I'm going to say, for example, public function, as you can see, like this. And I'm going to save all this, all information that I'm going, for example, to fill here. So if I reload a page, if I click on I have services, I have new products. Yes, and if I click on add product, and I have saved products, as you can see, I can say, for example, I can print a message. I can say, for example, this is the save product function. This is the save product function. And if I reload a page here, you're gonna see I'm gonna get this message. Now I have to put the same column here, and I reload a page. I'm gonna get this is the save product function, and as you can see. And if you want, for example, to save information in your database, we have also to use two methods. You can use the query builder. You can also use the model, the Laravel Eloquent. And here we can go back first of all in our creates here, and then declare it, for example, our inputs required. Yes, required, in order to avoid some error. And here you're gonna say required, like this. And that means if we go back here and if we load a page, if I click on this, and the field is required, and the desire is to use first of all the model, the Laravel Eloquent. This is the best way. You can also use the query builder. So let us remove this, and what we need first of all information that we're gonna fill here is like a request we are sending in our database. And the reason why, while saving, you need first of all to create the request instance. As you can see, if you scroll up, you're gonna see by default Laravel give you the request class in order to create a request instance if you want, for example, to save information in your database. And I'm gonna say request. Do not forget this, like this. And the first thing I need is to create instance like this product. The first thing I'm going to use the Laravel Eloquent, and here I'm going to say product. This is my model, and I'm going to say product, which is my model, and I'm going to say like this. I'm going to say new product, like this. And what I'm going to do, if I want, for example, so I think that you are remembering with the same thing. We have to do the same thing with what we have done with our terminal. So we are going to say, for example, product and product name. And where is the product name? And you're going to say request. Yes. And in the request here, you are going to put exactly what you have here. This field is what you have in your database, in your products table, products name. And what you are going to put here is what you have in your form. I'm going to take this in the name. Take your name here, product, pages controller, and I'm going to pass it like this. And I'm going to take also product in singular, product price, like this. And I'm gonna say request in the product price. Put the same thing with this. Copy this and we're gonna pass it here. I think that you understand. Product description, and here we're gonna get request, and here we're gonna get product description. Yes, like this product description. And if you want to save, you're gonna get only this, the same thing. You're gonna say save. This is your function here, and very simple and very clear. You're gonna say save, and we are going to back here. I'm gonna say, for example, we have mango and strawberry. I'm gonna say, for example, here juice, for example. I'm gonna set the price 100. This is the juice, and I'm gonna click on add product, and they have here creating default from empty value. What? Pages controller. No, we have to remove this S, please. Yes, like this. This is the juice, and let us click on add product. Yes, the product is saved. And if we go back here and click on products to reload a page, you should see we are going to get the juice here. Very simple and very clear. And we are going to continue to the next video.